Both hiding in the car. It's raining. It sucks.
And it stinks.
Oh, yeah, it stinks. Don't know why it stinks. Did you do it?
No, it was you.
No, did I do it? I might have done it. I did have a kebab last night, so it could have been me.
Well, me.
Well, yeah. Morning, boys and girls. We are back out at Paddlesworth. Only got Callum with me today, unfortunately. Jack couldn't make it. We've got Callum here. The usual suspects car-wise. Callum's Talion, the X-Max, the Max, the Knotty, Typhon, Break the Fear, Granite, Mojave. We have got the Tekno ET4 8 2.0 as well. Separate video on that. Find it up top. Go and check that one out because it's the first running of that. Other than that, Callum, gonna have some fun today, aren't you? We get out there, clean the track up at Paddlesworth and do some jumping.
Yeah.
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 Okay, guys, let's get into it. Over to the racetrack with his Talion, going to take on the Teknos. Let us know down below if you think Callum's be good enough to take on the Teknos with his Talion. Oh, we've got the full fleet out here today. Oh, and we've got an outcast. This could be carnage on the first corner. Are we all ready? Yeah. Any marks? Get set, go! All the first corners, people have got away. Callum takes the lead. Here comes the crowd. They're quite way below. They're chasing down Callum. The Teknos are after Callum though. They're doing their best. All the pair of Teknos are battling it out for third place. Oh, they're chasing him down. Oh, they're gaining, they're gaining, they're gaining. They're definitely trying to catch him up. Oh, they're hot on his tail. They're going to take him on the corner. Can Callum get the power down? Can Callum get the power down for it though? Is he going to come in second? Oh, he's going to take him on the... No, he's not. Oh, the Tekno's gone out. Callum, Callum span out. They 3 laps. Oh! Yeah, it must be a 3-lap race. Oh! How many laps are we doing? Oh, those are still in hot pursuit. There's carnage everywhere. That's a win for Callum. So yeah, I changed the diff oils on the Talion. Callum's not overly happy with it. It's a bit loose. But you still got a win under your belt with it, Callum.
Yeah.
Took on the Teknos and won.
Knobbly tyres.
With knobbly tyres. Took on the Teknos with their race tyres on, with our backflip LPs on there. In a Talion batter, he took on the Teknos and beat them. And Callum's hiding in the car. The weather's turned, guys. Started to rain. Turned cold. It's a bit nasty. We're hoping it's going to pass.
Horrible weather.
Horrible weather. It's not RC weather. It's not hardcore RC weather. No. Both hiding in the car. It's raining. It sucks.
And it stinks.
Oh, yeah, it stinks. Don't know why it stinks. Did you do it?
No, it was you.
No, did I do it? I might have done it. I did have a kebab last night, so it could have been me.
Well, me.
Well, yeah. So I have a big shout out to RC Breakers as well. You'll probably see on this video, I'll link up below, above. We had an outing where we broke 3 diff bulkheads. They're pretty hard to get hold of at the moment. So RC Breakers got in touch with us and said I can send you a diff case, diff bulkhead. It sent it to us totally free, just to give them a little shout out on this video. So go check out Aussie Breakers. Great place to get your spares from for your Arrma cars. They do all the ranges and everything. So big thank you to them, and go and check them out. So Callum, young Callum here, thinks he's that good a driver.
Oh no, I don't.
That he can beat me in his max against me in my EXB.
If I do, it's quite embarrassing.
It will be very embarrassing if you do. And the problem is, I think he might do as well. It'd be very embarrassing if you do, Callum, I'll tell you that. But then, you're a far better driver than me, so. 3, 2, 1. Oh, sorry, Callum. Am I cheat, am I? I'm going to get taken out as well now, that's the problem. Oh, I've got this. I'm after the Tekno. Whoever's driving that Tekno, I'm going to catch him. Oh, it's a bit of a slide out. Oh, gone.
Dead last.
I've broken something. I don't know. I've got to go. Oh, goes Callum in the max. No, I've definitely broken something. I can't. You've beaten me because I DNQ'd. It was a perfect landing, so I don't know what I've done. That's slightly annoying. Hey guys, actually not too bad. Just pop the front drive shaft. There, we get that back in.
3, 2, 1, go! That's the XB in second. Just into first. Followed by a Tekno, another Tekno on the side from Harvey's. Aaron's Tekno, comes Dad, oh, Buggy, Tekno, good job, EXB. Where did you come? First. Hold on, I wasn't doing it. 3, 2, 1, EXB.
Time for the high jump. Callum's going to send the EXB in a minute.
Is he allowed to send it fully?
Is it? Yeah, fully send it. Comes Martin. That's a proper send on the next match.
Oh!
Can you outdo that, Callum? Can you outdo that? No. No? Callum's going full send mode. Can you get up there?
Yep.
Sure? Do I need to hide from you? Full send, Callum. Up there. Oh, nice, he landed as well. Marty's coming down with his speed cart. Oh, that's under me. Oh, oh, something's gone. View the carnage. Oh, the back wheel's gone. Oh, damage report. Here comes Matt. He's currently winning with about 140 odd feet, I think. Incoming. A bit of a wheelie, it's not going to be as long. It might be as long. Right about there. There's Callum with the Creighton EXB. Long, but not long enough. Nicely jumped, but it's not long enough. Oh, LVC pulled it out in time. Is that LVC really? Creighton 8S. Martin's in.
That's pretty broken, isn't it?
Oh, nicely landed.
It's alright, isn't it?
It's a turtle though. Coming with the X-Max. Oh, he said he wouldn't go that far. Okay guys, it's another great weekend here at Paddlesworth RC track down in Kent. Had a fantastic time. The weather was a little bit of rain, it was a bit cold. It's still a great time, great people. If you want to see more of this, because we will be back here, please remember to
Subscribe.
turn on the notifications
Put down below.
and give us a like if you like what we're doing, and give us a thumbs down if you don't like what we're doing. But who doesn't like what we're doing?
No one.
No one. I'm sure there are people, but hey, not everyone likes everything. Okay guys, take care and we'll see you on the next video.
Hardcore RC signing out.